girl that loves natural beauty care, so today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite facials, which involves a bentonite clay mask. Make sure you watch until the end because I'm going to share with you a special little secret / fun fact, especially if you have never used apple cider vinegar before. Sasha, my name is Sasha and welcome to today's episode. Facial routine is 8 simple steps, and I'm going to go through a couple of benefits of using this mask. Let's quickly go through a couple of benefits of this little mask we're going to put on our faces. One of them is that it purifies your pores by pulling out pollutants and detoxifying the skin. It's also going to absorb excessive oil, it'll clarify and gently exfoliate your skin. On top of that, it's going to infuse it with some minerals, allegedly, from this volcanic ash. This mask is great because it only involves 2 ingredients. They are bentonite clay, and this product forms from volcanic ash, along with apple cider vinegar, and this is the mother underneath, so it's a little crazy little thing. I don't know if you can see it clearly. There you go. Apple cider vinegar obviously comes from apples, so these are the 2 main ingredients for our facial recipe. Now there is one downside to this mask, and that is that it can be quite messy, just so you're aware. So perhaps if you're concerned about this, you might want to wash it off in the shower, and if you're okay with it, just carry on at the sink. First and foremost, you're gonna need to get your ingredients, these 2 items. I'm gonna put a link below. I got these both from Amazon. They last a long time. Apple cider vinegar is multi-use. You can also use it in your diet if you're interested in that. I'll let you research that on your own. You don't need to refrigerate it after opening it, so that's good to know. You gotta shake it a little bit before you start adding it to our little concoction. Bentonite clay, also from Amazon. And you need a bowl, water, a towel to wipe your face. Okay, let's get serious now. watching, and as promised, I'm going to show you my little secret about this. Ooh! And that's all the secret is. If you have never smelled this before, you're in for a surprise. I've been using this for years, and guess what? You never get used to the smell. Aside from the smell though, you should definitely try this mask. I guess I should have included that as an additional downside to using the mask, but leave a comment if you try it, experiment, and I hope you get that beautiful skin you're looking for.